Welcome back to Body Sculpt, your ultimate guide to fitness and nutrition. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular diet trends of recent years, the keto diet. In this episode, we'll explain what the keto diet is, how it works, its potential benefits, and some practical tips to get started. So, let's jump right in. The keto diet, short for the ketogenic diet, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat eating plan that has gained immense popularity for its potential weight loss and health benefits. The primary goal of the keto diet is to shift your body's metabolism into a state called ketosis. But what exactly is ketosis? Ketosis is a metabolic state in which your body starts utilizing fat as its primary fuel source instead of carbohydrates. By drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat intake, you encourage your body to produce ketones from fat, which are then used as energy. Now, let's talk about how the keto diet works on a physiological level. When you consume a high amount of carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, which is the preferred fuel source. This glucose is used by cells to generate energy. However, when you significantly limit your carb intake, your glucose reserves become depleted. As a result, your body switches to burning fat for fuel, which leads to weight loss. That sounds fascinating. So, what types of foods should one consume on a keto diet? The keto diet focuses on consuming foods that are high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and very low in carbohydrates. Healthy fat sources include avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Foods rich in protein like eggs, fish, poultry, and tofu are also encouraged. However, starchy and sugary foods such as bread, pasta, rice, and sugary snacks should be avoided or minimized. Many people are drawn to the keto diet because of its potential benefits beyond weight loss. Can you tell us more about that? Absolutely. While weight loss is often the primary goal, the keto diet has shown promise in various areas. Some potential benefits include improved insulin sensitivity, increased mental clarity and focus, reduced inflammation, and enhanced energy levels. Additionally, some individuals report better blood sugar control, improved cholesterol levels, and a decrease in hunger and cravings. For our viewers who are interested in trying the keto diet, what are some practical tips to get started? Excellent question. Before embarking on any diet, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Once you have the green light, here are some tips to help you get started on the keto diet. Calculate your macronutrient ratios, determine the right balance of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates for your body and goals. A common starting point is around 70 to 75% of calories from fat, 20 to 25% from protein, and 5 to 10% from carbs. Focus on healthy fats. Incorporate foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your meals and snacks. Minimize carb intake. Avoid or limit foods high in carbohydrates such as grains, sugary treats, and starchy vegetables. Include moderate protein. Opt for lean sources of protein like fish, chicken, tofu, and legumes. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to support your body's functions and help with potential side effects like the keto flu. Be patient and listen to your body. Adjusting to the keto diet may take time, so be patient with yourself and pay attention to how your body responds. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the keto diet. Remember, the keto diet may not be suitable for everyone, and it's essential to find a dietary approach that works best for your individual needs and preferences. As always, consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. That's all for today's episode of Body Sculpt. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Stay tuned for more episodes where we explore various topics related to fitness, nutrition, and overall well-being. Until next time, keep sculpting your best self.